Good morning, children. Let us start from question 10, in which x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power b and whole power 1 upon ab and into x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power c whole power 1 upon bc into x raised to the power c upon x raised to the power a whole power 1 upon ca. This we have to evaluate and find out what is the answer. So we have this law that if the powers are in division and bases are same, we will divide the power. So it will be x raised to the power a minus b and this whole power 1 upon ab multiply x raised to the power, similarly here also b minus c whole power 1 upon bc. In this also x raised to the power c minus a whole power 1 upon ca. Then we will multiply the powers. So a minus b into 1, a minus b upon ab. X raised to the power b minus c upon bc. X raised to the power c minus a upon ca. Then what we will do, children, we will distribute the powers. This a minus b whole upon ab hai. So can we write it like this? Suppose a upon ab minus b upon ab. Okay, it is same like this. A minus b upon ab means a upon ab minus b upon ab, means we have distributed this a minus b in ab. Okay, so we have a upon ab minus b upon ab. Then this a will be cancelled from this a and this b will be cancelled from denominator. Then b upon bc minus c upon bc. C upon ca minus a upon ca. This a will be cancelled from a, c will be cancelled from c and this b will be cancelled from b and similarly c. So we have left 1 upon, because this a has cut, so we have 1 here left. So 1 upon b minus 1 upon a multiply 1 upon c minus 1 upon b multiply 1 upon a minus 1 upon c. So powers are same, so we have to add bases are same, we have to add the powers. We have x 1 upon b minus 1 upon a plus 1 upon c minus 1 upon b plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon c. Then this opposite signs will be cut. 1 upon b minus 1 upon b, 1 upon a minus 1 upon a and 1 upon c minus 1 upon c. We have x raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, so the answer is 1, children. We don't have to prove this. Okay, only 1 is the answer. Okay, because we have to evaluate this. We don't have to prove this, we only have to evaluate, means we have to find the value. So its value is 1. Okay, now we have 11th question. ab whole power y minus z into bc. This dot means they are in multiplication. bc whole power z minus x into ca whole power x minus y. Okay, so we have distribute these powers in these bases. So because this whole has power y minus z, so we will distribute these individually. So a raised to the power y minus z into b raised to the power y minus z. Similarly in this case also and in this also we have distribute the powers individually. So now we have a raised to the power y minus z, and what we'll do then, a we will write same, b write 1 and cc we will write here. So we have a y minus z into a x minus y. Okay, b y minus z and b z minus x and c z minus x into c x minus y. Then bases are same, we will add the powers. Okay, in all the 3 variables a b c. Okay, so y will be cut from this y, z will be cut from this y and x will be cut from this x. So we have a raised to the power x minus z. Okay, b raised to the power y minus x and c raised to the power z minus y, and this is our answer. Okay, so we have simplified this question in this form. Okay, so now children, try this 12 question. Okay, try this 12 question yourself and then show it to me. Okay, and then this 13th also, because you have to simplify this. Okay, you have to simplify and then find out the answer. I am explaining you 13th one. Okay, a raised to the power 7 plus 2n into a square whole power 3n plus 2 upon a raised to the power 4 whole power 2n plus 3. So first we will do the multiplication of these powers. A 2 into 3 6n plus 2 to the 4. So a raised to the power, it will be 6n plus 4. In this also we will do multiply. 4 to the 8n plus 4 3 the 12. Okay, then these bases are same, we will add them. So 7 plus 2n plus 6n plus 4, and this is in division. Okay, so this is in division. So when the bases are same and powers are in division, we have to do subtraction. So a raised to the power 8n plus 11 minus 8n minus 12, because we have to do minus is outside this, so these both will be of minus signs. This 8n will be cut from 8n. So what is left? A raised to the power 11 minus 12, that is a raised to the power minus 1. And I have told you in firstly that if power is negative, we will do the reciprocal. Okay, then it will be 1 upon a. Similarly children, you have to solve this 12 question. Okay, and you have to do 10, 11, both the parts of 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, rest I will explain you in next video.